Good evening, everyone. All of you open exercise 3.6. First question completed. Second question, first subdivision. Read the question, all of you.
Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours.
Yes. Here we're talking about downstream and upstream. What is downstream? What is upstream?
Ma'am, upstream means going up to narrow line, ma'am, going upwards.
See, suppose this is the river. This is the river. Water is flowing this direction. Okay. This is the boat. Boat also traveling this direction. Okay. Next, this is the downstream case. This is the downstream. In downstream, boat and water directions are same. Both the directions are same direction. Okay. What is upstream? This is the river. Boat is traveling.
I'm going towards wave side, ma'am.
Boat is traveling this direction. Water is traveling opposite to boat. Both are opposite direction. Okay. Downstream
Yes,
case, both are traveling same direction. Water and boat. Water and boat. Traveling same direction. Upstream case, boat and water traveling opposite direction. Opposite direction. In which case, we reach the destination very fast. In which case?
Ma'am, downstream, ma'am.
Downstream. Why
Downstream.
Yes, downstream.
Ma'am, because it will be the same of the river's speed, ma'am.
Yes. See, suppose you're riding on your bicycle. Riding on your bicycle. Okay. Air is moving this direction. You also moving this direction. Okay. This is the one case. And second case is you are riding on your bicycle. Direction is this direction, and A direction is opposite to your cycle. Okay. In which case you reach the goal destination very fast.
First month.
Case. Okay. In same way, downstream case, we take less time to reach the destination. Okay. Here less time to reach the destination. This is the advantage. What is the downstream velocity? Downstream speed. Downstream speed. Boat velocity plus water velocity. This is the advantage. Both the same direction at boat velocity plus water velocity. Do you understand? What is downstream speed? Downstream velocity. Boat velocity plus water velocity.
Is it okay? All of you understand or not? Respond, Ra. If they are same direction, we have to do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now upstream. What is upstream velocity? Upstream speed is
B minus W. B minus
both
W.
are opposite direction, correct? Both are opposite direction. This is the disadvantage. So we take minus B minus W. Remember these formulas. Upstream velocity is B minus W. Boat velocity minus water velocity. Downstream speed is boat speed plus water speed. Any doubt? These two formulas. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
What is downstream speed? What is downstream speed?
V plus W.
B plus W.
B plus W.
What is upstream speed?
B minus
Minus
W.
B minus W.
B minus W. Here B is boat speed and W is water speed. Okay, remember these formulas. Okay,
Ma'am,
ask your doubt.
ma'am, tell that formula, ma'am. How it is come? I cannot understand that.
Which one, Ra?
Which one, upstream or downstream?
On the Upstream, ma'am.
See, upstream means, suppose you see, when you are riding a bicycle, somebody is pulling backward, opposite direction. You are trying to move forward direction like this, and somebody is pulling opposite backward direction. So, is it means your speed will go faster or your speed will decreases? Tell me,
Sir, speed will.
decreases, correct?
Decreases.
So, you are trying
Yes,
to move
sir.
forward direction, and somebody is trying to pull you backward direction. So, at this time, what will happen? But still, you are moving, but your speed is reduced. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But reduced speed is only called as upstream speed. That is how much
Negative,
your
it is
speed.
negative.
Your speed minus the speed of someone who is pushing you backward. Correct or not? Understand, Karthikeyan?
Yes, sir.
Now, same way here, boat is trying to move forward direction.
Yes, sir.
Now, water is
Now it
trying
is
to
clear.
move the boat backward direction. So, what is the upstream speed means? The boat is always moving forward, but the speed is reduced because of the water speed, because water is moving in opposite direction.
Relative
So,
speed.
so the upstream speed is equals to the speed of boat
W.
minus the water speed. We have to remove the water speed to calculate the boat speed. Is it okay? Understand? Now, first case, if you'll observe, I am trying to move forward direction. I am trying to cycling some direction. Now, you will come and you will push me in the same direction of me. Then my speed will increase or decreases.
Sir, increases.
The same thing here. That is what downstream speed. So I am having some speed, like boat. Boat is already having some speed. Now water is coming and water is also pushing the boat in the same direction. What the direction of boat is moving, so that the boat speed will increases. Yes or no? That increased speed is only called as
Yes, sir.
speed. So that is equals to speed of boat plus the speed of water also, because both are same direction. That is why we are adding addition. So now here both are opposite direction, so that we are doing the subtraction. Understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Downstream speed and upstream speed. Any doubt, anybody, you can ask. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Also, these two
So now
formulas.
these two formulas you have to remember, because now presently what term one going to write what MCQs or descriptive?
MCQs.
MCQs only, correct?
MCQ,
I
sir.
will say one shortcut. I
So,
will say one shortcut.
yeah.
Remember these formulas. Suppose they are asking what is the boat velocity? What is the boat velocity by using downstream speed and upstream speed? Okay, formula is boat speed is downstream speed plus upstream speed by 2. This is one formula, shortcut formula. For boat velocity, for finding the boat velocity. Suppose if you have any doubt how it comes.
See, listen. General procedure is there for general exams like theory. Madam is saying both the methods she will say, but this is for a shortcut method. Now we are going to write MCQs. So MCQs, they will ask you calculate the boat speed. By that time you are not supposed to waste the time with the normal procedure. So we have to use the shortcut. This formula also how it will comes. Now madam will derive. You have to remember. But first two formulas you have to remember. This is the first formula. Understand? First formula this is, and second formula that is. With the help of the two formulas, directly you remember the shortcut formulas. You can calculate the speed of boat as well as speed of water. Both. Do you understand, all of you?
See,
Shortcut
derivation.
method.
See,
Yes,
D
sir.
is downstream speed, correct? What is downstream speed? Boat velocity plus water velocity, correct? Yes, P plus W. Next, what is upstream speed?
B minus W.
B minus
Involved. Alni, Tarani, everyone.
by 2. This is the aptitude question. Okay, very, very important question.
Actually, it will come under aptitude. That is why madam knows that. That is why she is teaching a shortcut also,
See.
because make it more comfort.
How many B's? B plus B? B plus B?
Simple.
2B.
Ma'am, B square.
Square up.
See, B.
Minus W and plus W can be cancelled, no, ma'am?
See, Karthikeyan, B into B only the B square. Okay, B plus B is 2B. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
plus W minus W cancel. Okay, 2B by 2.
Two.
Here 2 to get cancelled, which is equal to B. Correct?
B, ma'am.
Okay. Here BS equal to BS means board speed equal to board speed. Do you understand? Only formula. Remember this formula. BS equal to board velocity, board speed equal to downstream speed plus upstream speed
By 2.
You understand how it came now? Are you clear, everybody? Harini?
only remember
Elamati?
this. Remember this formula.
Yeah. Whenever
Okay.
they will ask in MCQ, calculate the board speed. Directly use this formula and you can do it. That's all.
Understood? Any doubt? Next.
No, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
We are asking water speed or stream speed. Water speed. Formula is downstream speed minus, in place of place you can
Minus.
write minus upstream speed
Minus
by
upstream.
2. Okay. Suppose you want derivation means what is downstream speed? Downstream speed. What is the formula?
B plus W.
Plus W.
Others also say
Minus
it is
of
good.
upstream speed. What is upstream speed?
B minus W.
B minus W.
B minus W by 2. Right?
Divided by
As it
2.
is. Okay. See, now it is B plus W minus into B minus B. Next, minus into minus
B plus
plus
W.
Okay. By 2.
Ma'am, B will cancel.
Yes. B
2W.
Plus B minus B will cancel.
is 2W plus
2W.
W is 2W, not W square.
2W
2 to get cancelled. It
by
is
2
okay. LHS
equal to W.
LHS. Is it clear? So remember, second
Yes, ma'am.
formula is water speed equal to downstream speed minus upstream speed by 2. What is board speed formula? What is board speed? What is board speed? Kevin, say
Board
mom.
speed is equal to board speed, ma'am.
Downstream speed plus upstream speed
Upstream
by
plus
2.
upstream speed divided by
Next, what is water speed? Downstream
Water speed is equal to
minus upstream speed divided by 2.
Remember these two formulas, very, very important. Okay. Now read the question. What is given question? Now read the question. Ritu Kenro.
Rita, downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours, ma'am.
First, note down the downstream data. 20 kilometers, 2 hours. Okay. Ritu Kenro, downstream. Downstream. Here given distance is given. What is the distance?
20 kilometers.
20 kilometers. Next, what is the time? Downstream time?
2 hours.
2 hours.
Okay. Next, upstream data. What is upstream? Upstream distance. Upstream
4 kilometers.
kilometers, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Distance.
Calculate now, you guys know that.
Wait. Distance equal to 4 kilometers and time equal to time how much? 2 hours, correct? 2 hours. See, what is the speed? Downstream speed. What is the speed? What is the speed formula? We already know. What is the speed?
Speed formula,
Speed formula, basic formula. Speed equal to
Distance by time.
time. Correct?
Distance by time.
Time.
Distance by time.
Yes. What is the downstream speed? Downstream speed.
Ma'am, 10
Ma'am, 20 kilometer by 2 hours. We can change to
Yes. 20. Distance is 20 kilometers. Time is 2 hours. So downstream velocity is
10 ma'am. 10 ma'am.
what is the
10 ma'am.
unit? What is the unit?
kilometer per hour. 10
Yes.
kilometer per hour.
10 kilometer per hour. Okay. Next, what is upstream velocity? Upstream speed. Upstream speed.
4 by 2. 2 kilometer per hour.
1 by 2, ma'am.
4
2
by
kilometer.
2 kilometer per hour.
2 by
2
1, ma'am. 2 by
kilometers per hour.
Kilometer per hour.
It
2
is
kilometer
2
per hour.
kilometer per hour.
meter per hour. Any doubt till here? Ask me. Any doubt? Here given distance and time of downstream and upstream. With this we can find downstream velocity and upstream velocity. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Now read the question. What is asking? Find her speed. Her speed means here Ritu, nothing but boat. Ritu in boat, correct? Find her speed means boat speed and speed of the current. Sorry, speed rowing the still water and the speed of the current. Current means water. Current means boat. Here we have to find the boat speed plus water speed. Is it clear, everyone?
We find the boat speed and
Going in still water, it means water speed and the speed of the current. Okay, here we have to find the boat speed and water speed. Any doubt?
Hey, everyone respond, ra.
no, ma'am. No doubts, ma'am.
See, what is the formula for boat speed?
Downstream plus upstream divided by 2.
Yes, downstream plus upstream speed divided by 2.
2.
What is downstream speed? Downstream speed. What is downstream speed?
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers per hour.
Okay. Next,
Plus
upstream speed.
2 kilometer per hour.
Ma'am, both speed is 6, ma'am.
Yes, by 2. Correct? 10 plus 2, 12. 12 by 2, which is equal to 6
Ma'am.
meters per hour. Next, what is water speed?
Downstream minus upstream.
Downstream minus upstream divided by 2.
Minus up
By 2.
By 2.
Okay,
Divided
what is
by 2.
water speed?
10 kilometer.
10 minus
10 minus
2 divided by 2.
10
4 kilometer per hour.
2.
Ma'am,
4
4
meter per hour, ma'am. 4 kilometer per hour.
8 by 2, it is 4 kilometers per hour. Okay, any doubt in this problem? This is a shortcut method. Okay.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
Next, suppose they give downstream speed is 40 kilometers per hour and upstream speed is 20 kilometers per hour. Find the boat velocity and water velocity.
Ma'am, boat velocity is 30, ma'am. Water velocity is 10, ma'am.
Boat velocity how much?
30, ma'am.
30. Okay. What is water velocity?
Water velocity is 10, ma'am. 10.
10. Okay. Any other answers? Padmavashini, Kevin, Pranav. Say your answers. What is boat velocity?
kilometers per hour.
30.
30 and 10, ma'am.
10. Any doubt? Suppose they give downstream. Downstream distance is 100 kilometers and time is, this is the downstream. Distance is 100 kilometers, time is 5 hours. Next, upstream.
20 kilometer per hour, ma'am. Velocity of downstream.
Upstream distance is 100 kilometers and time is
Speed of the down speed is 20 kilometer per hour, ma'am.
10 hours.
Speed of
Find the boat and
upstream is
Water
ma'am.
velocities.
10 kilometer per hour.
Boat is 15, ma'am. And
boat is
water is
Then time is 5.
What boat velocity?
15, 5.
Boat velocity is
Boat
5.
velocity is 15.
15. Boat
Water
velocity 15, ma'am.
velocity. Water velocity means current.
Five.
Water velocity is
5, ma'am.
5.
Ma'am, boat velocity is
ma'am.
15, ma'am. Boat velocity is.
both the same. This is wrong. See, what is downstream speed? Downstream velocity first. What is downstream velocity?
20, ma'am.
100 by 5, it is 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. What is upstream velocity?
10 ma'am.
100 by 10,
10, ma'am.
it is 10. Okay. Next, what is boat velocity? Boat velocity
Ma'am, 15, ma'am.
20 plus 10 by 2. 20 plus 10 by 2.
15, ma'am.
Yes,
15
10
kilometers
by
per
2, it is 50.
15 kilometers per hour.
Yes.
15
What is
kilometers.
water velocity? Water is nothing but current.
Five,
Okay.
Ma'am, 5,
What
ma'am.
is-
5.
ma'am.
So they are asking what is the current velocity? Current velocity means water velocity. Ra. You understand? Suppose they are asking what is the current velocity? Current velocity means water. Water or stream velocity. Okay. See, downstream velocity is 20. Upstream velocity means 10. 10 minus 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Any doubt? Suppose they give boat velocity is 5 kilometers 5 kilometers per hour and water velocity is 2 kilometers per hour. What is downstream and what is upstream? What is downstream? What is upstream? What is the downstream speed and what is the upstream speed? Please respond. What is the downstream velocity? Padmashri, Elmati, what is downstream speed? Very simple. What is downstream formula? Downstream speed is boat velocity plus water velocity, correct? Boat velocity plus water velocity.
7.
Yes, 5 plus 2. It is 7 kilometers per hour. What
5
is upstream
kilometer per hour.
speed?
ma'am.
3.
Yes, 5 minus 3. Boat velocity minus water velocity. 5 minus 3. It is 2 kilometers per hour. Okay. Suppose they give
How, ma'am?
what, ma'am? See, what is downstream speed?
5 minus 2 only, no, ma'am.
Yes, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, it is 3. Okay, sorry. Next, suppose they give boat velocity is 5 kilometers per hour and downstream speed is 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers per hour. Find the water velocity. Find water velocity.
3 kilometers per hour.
Ma'am, water velocity is 13.
30.
13, ma'am. 13.
13. Wrong. 13 wrong.
3 kilometers per hour, ma'am.
See Padmashri, downstream velocity equal to boat
Water,
velocity.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
water velocity.
Minus, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, downstream is 6. Downstream is 6 and upstream is 4.
Downstream already given. Downstream speed is 8 kilometers already given. Okay. Boat velocity also given. Boat speed is 5. Okay. What about water velocity?
3 kilometers per hour, ma'am.
Who said 3 kilometers?
Ma'am, 3
Ma'am, I
kilometers.
said before, ma'am.
3 kilometers per hour, ma'am. 3
Oh, okay, Padmashri, no issues. Downstream speed is, see, downstream means boat velocity plus water velocity, correct? What is downstream given? 8 kilometers per hour, correct? 8. boat velocity, boat is given 5 kilometers. We don't know water velocity. Here we have to find the water velocity. Water velocity equal to 8 minus 5. How much it is? 3. 3 kilometers per hour.
3 ma'am. 3
Three,
water
ma'am.
velocity.
Okay. Next question. Do you understand this question? Prahasni, Dilipan. Okay, Ashmi, very good. Next question is upstream velocity is 13 kilometer per hour, and here given water velocity is 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers. Find the boat velocity.
19 kilometer per
Kilometer
hour.
per hour.
19 kilometer per hour, ma'am.
19 kilometer per hour. 19 or 9? Seven. See, what is upstream speed formula? Upstream speed equal to
V minus
Boat minus water, ma'am.
boat speed minus water speed. Very good. So what is given? Boat speed is not given. Correct. Here we have to find the boat speed minus. What is water speed?
6, ma'am.
6 kilometers. Correct. And what is upstream? Upstream speed is 13 kilometers. Okay. Here we have boat velocity. Boat velocity equal to 30 minus 6 comes to this side plus 6. So boat velocity equal to 19 kilometers per hour. 13 plus 6. It is 19.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is on dividing only, ma'am.
Very good. Oh, what?
Ma'am, it is on dividing method only.
Dividing what? Dividing. See, here minus 6 comes to this side. Karthikeyan. See, here
Okay.
you upstream equal to boat speed plus water speed, correct? Here we don't know boat
ma'am.
speed. Next, water speed is given 6. What is upstream? Upstream velocity.
13, ma'am. 13.
13. Okay. Here B equal to 13
Minus
right
6, ma'am.
hand is
Minus.
plus 6 comes to this side minus 6. Correct? Sorry, it is minus 3 minus W. Minus 6 comes to this side plus 6. 13 plus 6,
19.
19. Boat velocity is 19. Any doubt? Aravind, any doubt?
Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Next question.
No doubts, ma'am.
Next question. Wait. This is the last one. Suppose they give upstream velocity equal to 20 kilometers per hour. 20 kilometers per hour. Boat velocity is 25 kilometers. 25 kilometers per hour. What is water velocity? Say Bosley.
5 kilometer per hour, ma'am.
5 kilometer per hour. Any other answers? Who said 5 kilometer per hour?
Ma'am, 5 kilometer by hour, ma'am.
It's very good.
Ilamadi.
5 only, ma'am.
5 kilometer per hour.
Okay.
Water
Speed
speed is
equal to upstream speed equal to boat speed plus water speed. Boat speed is 25. We don't know water speed. Upstream is 20. Okay.
25 go this side minus 25, ma'am.
Minus 25. Sorry, this is minus E minus W. Minus W. 20 minus 25 is minus 5. Minus W equal to minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled. W equal to 5. What is the unit? Kilometer per hour. Okay. Any doubt boats and streams?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Repeat the question. I will explain normal method. Do you want normal method? Normal method. What is the question? Given question. question ra. First question. Ritu Pin Road downstream 20 kilometers per hour. Downstream velocity. Downstream is 20 kilometers in 2 hours. And upstream is 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Okay. Normal procedure is Ritu speed. Ritu is nothing but boat speed. Okay. Ritu speed, let us assuming x, and water speed is assuming y kilometers per hour. Ritu speed is x kilometers per hour and water speed is
boat, ma'am.
what? Ritu is boat.
Boat speed is Ritu, ma'am.
Yes, boat speed is
Hey,
x.
she will travel how ra? You see, she's anything a fish ah?
She is in boat. She is in boat.
Is she
Okay.
fisher ah? Huh?
Ah,
She need to go in boat only, correct man?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, no,
okay, don't
Yes,
laugh.
sir.
Ritu traveling in the boat. So boat velocity is x kilometers per hour and water velocity is y kilometer per hour. Now, here, what is speed? Speed equal to distance by time, correct? Speed equal to distance by time. Here also speed equal to distance by time. Here speed equal to downstream speed. What is downstream speed? Formula. What is the downstream speed?
20 kilometers.
20 kilometer by 2 hours. 2 hours.
We know, but see, downstream speed is normal method. Normal method is Ritu speed plus water speed, correct? What is downstream speed? X plus y.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, X
Down
plus
speed
y.
is equal
Normal
to
method.
P plus W.
X plus y equal to 20 by 2. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is a normal method. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Okay, here x plus y equal to 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the first equation. Pair of linear equation in 2 variables. First equation. Okay, next, what is the upstream speed? Upstream speed.
Ma'am, X plus Y is equal to
X plus y
4
or
by
x
2.
minus y?
X
X minus
ma'am.
Y.
X minus y equal to distance is 4 and time is 2 hours.
4 by 2.
Okay, it is 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. X minus y equal to 2. This is the second equation. Now solve first and second equation. You can get x and y values. Now you can solve first equation, second equation.
All of you solve fastly. Harini.
What is
Harini,
x
everybody
value
respond.
and what is y value? What is x, what is y?
Ma'am, Y is equal to 4.
Y equal to 4. Okay.
X equal to 6.
See, this question is very simple, so that we are using equations are very simple. But
Ma'am, Y is equal to 4.
Yeah,
X is
listen.
equal to 6. Ma'am.
Some questions are very, very complicated. By that time, we have to use shortcut for MCQs. Is it okay, all of you? Whatever it is, if it is MCQ, you use directly the shortcut. Understand, Padmarsini, Dilipan, Yalamati?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So normal method, this question is very simple. So that equations also came very simply and you can solve it. But some questions are very, very complicated. So by that time, don't give it anything mind. Only use the shortcut and apply it. That's all. Okay. Time is the matters. That's all. Okay. Wait.
X equal to 6. Very good. What is x?
Now Y is equal to 4.
Yes.
Equal to
X
6.
equal to 6.
Is equal to 6, ma'am.
Okay, very good. X equal to 6 kilometer per hour. This is a Ritu speed. Y is nothing but
Equal to-
water.
4
That's all.
kilometer per hour.
Water is equal to 4, ma'am. Boat is equal to 6,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Any doubt, this sum? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Next, third question. Second question is time and work. After third question, I will solve second question. Okay? Second question is related to time and work. That is also aptitude question.
This is which exercise, ma'am?
3.6. 3.6 Karthikeyan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Next. Read third subdivision. All of you read third question.
Meeting is going to end, correct? You can. I'm going to end the meeting again. Log in again immediately. Okay.
Okay, sir.